Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the FSU HDMI to HDMI connector that bought off Amazon. This device comes in, it's very simple, but it does tell you all the different pieces you can combine this with. As you can see, headphones, computer screens, webcams, and so on. So it's really versatile and can be used for anything as well. And once you open it up, it works out really simply. One thing that I really like about this HDMI connector was that they come with little caps to ensure that it comes in the best quality, as well as they come with these nice little Velcro pieces, two of them as well, to allow you to move the wire to however long you want, but they come off really easily, very simple like that. But they're definitely well built, and they're one of the best designs I've seen for these as well, because very commonly they just rip them off, and these ones don't. But one thing that I did like about this HDMI cord a lot was that it's one of the best on the market. As you can see, it comes with an 8K guarantee, so you can play up to 8K videos in this. And even though my TV doesn't do that, it has great versatility in case I do want to buy one in the future. And these are the future of the cables. The wire itself is also very thick and very weather resistant. It'll last you a long time and it won't wear or tear, as well as the connectors down here. These are aluminum or steel, it's metal covered, as well as this piece right there has this nice covering. Just make sure it'll never wear and break on your devices. So you simply have a PS4 right here. I'm just gonna connect it and show you guys how easy it is to work. Just go into the HDMI of each. And the length is perfect as well. It isn't too long, it isn't too short, and it'll get everywhere you want. Simple like that. I just unplugged it, and now look at that, perfectly. It has really good responding times, and that's why I love it so much. So I highly recommend the FSU HDMI connector. I absolutely love it and has so many uses I can't even wonder how many more I'll be able to use it for. And yeah, I definitely think that it'll help you out as well. So yeah, hope you guys get it. I absolutely love it.